Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do a quick tutorial on some basic functions that Excel can do. I've labeled this as lesson 1, so if you want to go ahead and follow along, you can do that if you wish. And so, let's get started. So for this first tutorial, we have a very simple list. Say that there's a fundraiser and we have a list of people and how much money they raised individually. So if you would like to know how much money they raised total, function we use that Excel have will be called the sum function. And so anytime you want to put in a new formula, you have to use the equal sign. That just let Excel know that you're about to put in a formula. And then you'll use the sum function to type in sum, S-U-M, parentheses. Click on the first cell you want in the formula and then drag all the cells. Hit enter. And there you have it. The total is 1,418, which all Excel did was add all these values together. If you want to know the average, pretty much do the same thing. Excel has an average function. Click and drag all the cells you want to use and hit enter. So we have, on average, each person raised $236. Now, as you can see, the average, 236, is a lot different from the highest amount and the lowest amount. So if you want to see if a person really excelled at the fundraising, you can use the max function. Equal, again, because we're putting in a formula. This time we'll use max. And what this does is you're telling Excel, hey, out of this range, what is the biggest value? Well, Excel will give you 400 because out of this list, the biggest number is 400. Now, if you want to change some things and say Lewis actually raised $598, well, everything changes. You see that the max is now 598. The total amount raised is 1629, and the average amount went up to 272. We're going to undo that and put the numbers back. If you want to do the lowest amount raised, this time you'll do min. Again, range, enter. All right, $75 was the least amount of money raised for this particular fundraiser. If you want to see how many people participated in the fundraiser or how many people raised any dollar amount, you'll want to use the count function. And so if you just use count, it counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So you'll have to use this column. Click and drag all the way down and hit enter. And we see that we have 6 entries, so we have 6 people participate in the fundraiser. Alright, well that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Anything else that you want to learn, recommendations, please comment below and I'll get a video out for that. If you enjoyed this video and look forward to more content, please hit the subscribe button. Alright, thank you and have a good one.